Welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to show you my Pringles hydrogen rocket. Check this out. All I'm using in this investigation is an empty can of Pringles, some hydrogen gas, some scissors, and a needle. The first step is to poke a hole in the bottom of your can with your needle or a nail. That's about right. The second step is to trace a small circle on the lid of the top of your can that you can cut out. Now you're ready to carefully cut out the hole that you traced. So the top of your can should look something like this, with a small hole poked on the bottom. Next, prepare your launch pad. I'm using a copper plate and a couple of Jenga blocks to support my Pringles can. This is so when I fill the can with hydrogen, it can slowly mix with oxygen through the bottom. So you want to support your Pringles can so air can go in through the bottom. That's why I'm using these little Jenga blocks. Now you're ready to fill your Pringles can with hydrogen gas. Now, since hydrogen is less dense than the air in the room, you want to put your finger over the hole in the top so the gas doesn't escape. And put the hose in the bottom of the Pringles can and turn on your gas until you hear it fill to the top with hydrogen. At that point, you want to keep your can tilted upright so you don't lose gas out of the bottom, and slowly put it on your launch pad, and then take your finger off and slowly light the top. The hydrogen gas will burn down until it draws enough oxygen in the bottom, and as that oxygen mixes with the hydrogen, you'll get just the right ratio until it explodes and launches the Pringles can into the air. Check it out. I think it's ready. I'll put on my launch pad. Okay. Now I'm just gonna light the top of it. Okay, now it's gonna mix with the air below until it has enough oxygen, hydrogen mix for launch. Here it goes. Liftoff! Wasn't that amazing? Incredible! So what's going on in this combustion reaction is you've got the synthesis of hydrogen and oxygen, which makes water vapor, H2O. So your reactants is hydrogen gas, that's the fuel, and oxygen, O2, that's the oxidizer. And when they come together, you have a combustion reaction that creates H2O, water vapor. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time.